Hello students, I am Sushil Misra and I am today with the topic linear equation in two variable for class 9 chapter 4th mathematics NCERT books. So I hope you are studying at home, you are practicing at home. Again and again I am reminding this is only samples, you need to practice a lot of questions. As you know, maths need practice, so you people should study at least 2.5 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours at least in a day for better concept of mathematics. So let us start. First of all, let us see what we have to study in this chapter. So very first part is, this is very small chapter. Very first part is we have to see 4 solutions or only solutions of the equation. Okay, and the second part which we have to study graph. Okay, graph of equations. Okay, and in third, graph for x variables and y variables. It means if value of x is only given, then you must know that will be parallel to y-axis, and if value of y is only given, that will be parallel to x-axis. So in this video itself we are going to finish this chapter. So kindly focus here, and please, this is my request, you can use while solving these 2 points. Kindly use graph sheet for better and accurate diagram, accurate measurement. I am here making rough diagram, so I may be ups and down, but you should prefer graph sheet for better measurement and better accurate answer. So first topic is what? 4 solutions or solution of the equation. I am not going to give you detail about the coordinate origins. We have already discussed in chapter 3rd. If you have forget, once again you can see that video of your chapter 3rd. Okay, so 4 solutions. So I'm taking question for this topic. First topic, suppose first question, x plus 4y is equal to 7. Okay, this is given and we have to find out the 4th solution. 4th solution means for which value of y and x LHS must be equal to RHS. Okay, whatever conditions we are taking for different value of x and what will be the value of y. So first of all, let's 4y is equal to 7 minus x and y equal to 7 minus x upon 4. So this will be your equation. Now you can make one box. Okay, so here you can see, if I'll put value of, this is minus 1 0 1 2, you can take any value. Okay, you can take any value. So here I am solving for x equal to minus 1, y will be 7 minus of minus 1 upon 4, that will be 7 plus 1 by 4, 8 by 4, which is 2. So this is coming 2. Now for x equal to 0, y will be, directly I am writing because of the less space. So 7 minus 0, nothing, 7 by 4 only, 7 by 4. So this is coming 7 by 4, or you can find in decimal also. The third, for x equal to 1. So if I'll put x equal to 1, 7 minus 1 is what? 6 by 4. So y will be 6 by 4, 3 by 2, which is 1.5. So this is coming 1.5. Again I am telling, you can find it also in decimal. And for x equal to 2, y will be, if I'll put 2 here, then 7 minus 2 will be 5 by 4, which is equal to 1.25. So this will be your solution for this equation. So you can take so many equations for practice. It is already given you, I think so, in your exercise 4.1. 1 it is given, some questions are given, and even some questions are also given. Check whether these points are the solution of this equation or not. So in that you have to, first value you have to take x and the second value y. Coordinate we have already discussed, again and again I am reminding. If you have forgot, again you can see the video of chapter 3rd. First value always belongs to x, second value always belongs to y. So that way x and y value you need to put in the equation, and if LHS equal to RHS, then those point or those coordinates are the solution of the given equation. So now moving to the second topic, that is graph of the equation. I am erasing this. Okay, so suppose very small question I am taking. Again I am taking first equation is what? X plus y is equal to 2. Okay, we have to draw the graph for x plus y is equal to 2. So I am making one coordinate here. Again I am reminding, while making this you can use graph sheet. This distance must be same. This is x, this will be what? 0, as you know. This will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, x dash, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, y dash, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, y. Okay, this is the plane, first, second, third and fourth coordinate, as you know. So now we'll find out some value for plotting this graph, plotting the graph for this equation. So now x, or like this, y is equal to 2 minus x. So now again make one box, and at least for making one line you need 2 points. So here I am not going to take so many values, minus 1, 0 and 1 I am taking, minus 1, 0 and 1. So for which we have done already, now only we find out the solution. So same only we have to do. So for x equal to minus 1, y will be 2 minus of minus 1, that is 3. For x equal to 0, y will be 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2. And for x equal to 1, this came 2. X equal to 1, y will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. It is coming 1. Okay, so now we have to make the graph. So minus 1, x is what? Minus 1 here, then y value is 3. It means somewhere here only. Okay, I am giving this point. Okay, A, B, C, I am putting the point. So this is A point, then second point 0, 2, 0 means here only at the origin, and 2 means this will be 0, 2. So this is I am giving B point, and then 1, 1, x is also 1, y is also 1. So here somewhere here, so this will be C point. And what we have to do? We have to join this point. So very carefully this should passes every point, and at the last you can write the equation x plus y is equal to 2. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer for this equation. Now in the same plane I am making one more diagram, one more example for your better understanding. So I am rubbing this. So one more question, that second example I am taking, 2x plus y is equal to 3. Suppose, okay, so y must be equal to 3 minus 2x. Now again, okay, or one more box I can extend. This will be A, B, C point, x, y. This is coordinate axis. Okay, then minus 1, 0, 1. It is not compulsory to take minus 1, 0 and 1 in every case. I am taking, but you can take all the positive value, you can take all the negative values. Okay, so don't be confused. So now for x equal to minus 1, y must be 3 minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 5. Okay, minus minus plus 3, 2 1 2, so this is coming 5. Now for x equal to 0, y must be 3 minus 2 into 0, that is 3. You can see it is decreasing by 2, surely it will be coming 1. Let us check. So for x equal to 1, so y equal to 3 minus 2 into 1, that is 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So this is k 1. Now again we need to plot the point. No problem. So minus 1 5, x is minus 1 and y is 5, somewhere in the same line here, a. Okay, somewhere same line here, a. Then 0 3, somewhere here 0 3, this is B point, no problem. Then 1 1, the same point which we got, and for this equation the graph will go like this. Okay, when you will use the graph, you will have accurate answer, 2x plus y equal to 3, and at the last you have to write the equation also, so that invigilator can understand, means for which equation you have plotted the graph. Now the last topic of this chapter, that for x variable and y variable. Okay, for x variable and y variable. So I am rubbing this. So first question is x 2.5 and suppose y, second question minus 3. Okay, for both I am making no need of finding solutions for this. Okay. Okay, so this is what, this is plane, but for one variable, as you know, one variable we need to make the number line also. So x is what, 2.5, x is what, 2.5. So let us see. So this is what, suppose 1 2 3, this is x dash, minus 1 minus 2, this is 0, minus 1 minus 2, y dash 1 2 3, this is y. So x is what, 2.5 is somewhere here. So this, from 2.5 you need to, here I am showing by dotted line. Okay, this is what, x equal to 2.5, x equal to 2.5, which must be parallel to y axis, which must be it is not looking parallel. Again I am telling, use geometry boxes, use scale for making graph sheet. So this will be what, x equal to 2.5, which will be parallel to y axis. And here again 0 1 2 3 x, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 x dash, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 y dash 1 2 3 y only. X equal to minus, sorry, y equal to minus 3, y minus 3 is somewhere here, or then this will be parallel to x axis. Okay, this will be parallel to x axis. This is y equal to minus 3, which is parallel to y x axis. Okay, and in one variable you need to, actually you can see, this is what, this is for one variable we were showing number line. Okay, for one variable we were showing number line 0 1 2 3 4. okay, and value of x is given, so this will be x, this will be x dash. Left hand side, as you know, negative value we are taking, and it will be going on up till positive infinity to negative infinity. X is what? 2.5, somewhere here. So we will show like this, x equal to 2.5. And for this case we will make y axis, okay, y, and y dash here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and suppose minus 4. Y is what? Minus 3. So here we will write y is equal to minus 3. So this will be your chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. Please and please practice so many questions. This is sample only, this is for your practice only. You need to solve so many questions, you need to plot so many graph, and whatever doubt you are getting, please post your comment. I'll be there to sort out your problem. I'll be there to correct your mistake. Kindly post your comment. Thank you.